4 young men, 2 Belgians, 1 Vietnamese and a Kenyan appeared before a judge in Kenya's capital of Nairobi accused of trafficking live ants, including the sought-after giant African harvester ant. All pleaded guilty to charges of illegal possession and trafficking of live wildlife species and trying to hide the insects in syringes lined with cotton wool, which investigators say would have allowed the creatures to survive for up to 2 months. Here is a report from Nairobi.
Four suspects, including 3 foreign nationals, appeared in a court in Kenya accused of trafficking highly sought-after ants out of the country. Belgian nationals Lornoy David and Sepe Lodewijk, alongside Kenyan Dennis Nganga and Vietnamese Du Hung Nguyem, pleaded guilty to the charges. The 4 men were arrested for the illegal possession and trafficking of live queen ants to sell as exotic pets. A magistrate presiding over the case of 4 suspects charged with smuggling garden ants has set their sentencing date to May 7, 2025, during a hearing in Nairobi.
In this instance, the prosecution has gone one step forward and prepared a victim impact statement, which I'll read the title as it is: Illegal Ant Trafficking from Kenya to Asia, Europe and America. So it explains in this instance why the live ants were being trafficked. And therefore, I am not sentencing today. The sentence will take place on the 7th of May at 9:30. Those of you who come from different systems that work differently, please understand our system. This is how it works.
Lornoy and Sepe, 2 19-year-olds who were arrested on April 5th with 5,000 ants at a guest house, appeared distraught during their appearance before a magistrate in Nairobi and were comforted in the courtroom by relatives. They told the magistrate they were collecting the ants for fun and did not know that it was illegal. Possession of any wildlife specimen or trophy without a permit is a criminal offense in Kenya, punishable by a minimum fine of roughly $10,000 and at least 5 years in prison. The Kenya Wildlife Service said the 4 men were involved in trafficking the ants to markets in Europe and Asia, and that the species included Mesocephalotes, a distinctive large and red-colored harvester ant native to East Africa. Kenya has in the past fought against the trafficking of body parts of larger species of wild animals such as elephants, rhinos and pangolins, among others, but the cases against the 4 men represent a shift in trafficking trends, from iconic large mammals to lesser-known yet ecologically critical species. Africa Bureau, WION World is One.